guys, you watching Mr. Fun and I'm Namai. In this video, this is first of all a Diwali special video, so happy Diwali to everyone. And in this video, I'll show you how to make nanoleaf. And before starting, let's check out the price. This is the actual price. And guys, today I'll show you how to make it step by step so that you can follow through and make your very own nanoleaf. And for those of you who don't know about that, basically this is just a light panel which looks really cool. So first, make 13 of 15 centimeter equilateral triangles and cut them out of a decently thick cardboard. After that, we'll make the edge bezel that would act as the thickness part. And now we'll cut out these strips whose breadth is 1.5 centimeter. And now this is the pattern that I want to follow, so accordingly we'll mark 3 centimeters from the top and make a small triangle, and then we'll just simply super glue all these strips and fold them so that we can continue with the strips and again glue them nicely. After we have made the panels, we'll just do the same thing with all the sides, and after that we'll put in some foil so that the light gets reflected once we put in the RGB LED strips. After that, we'll simply take an RGB LED strip that has decent modes and we'll put that in. If you want, you can also take WS2812B addressable LED strip and coat it with Node MCU. But I just went with the IR LED strip that can change colors. So next, I just glue all these panels and lay in the strip. And then we are done. Guys, this is still not completed yet because this is just the diffusion sheet that I've just kept over it. I'm using 3 layers of butter paper and this is how it looks once it's all done. After that, we'll put the diffusion layer, which is the 3 layer of butter paper, and notice how I've made one magnetic panel as well. I've just taken the 3 pins and soldered on magnets. So after that, we'll just glue everything in place and it should look like that. After that, we'll take a transparent film so that we can give it a nice pristine finish. And guys, you can exactly see how cool this looks. In the next video, I'll also mount it on the wall and give some more info about that if required. And guys, as you can see, I also finished it up with some black tape on the borders and it looks really cool. And all the patterns are really popping out, so I really hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching.